Painting birds has always been so challenging, so why not try it today? Here I am taking an example of a kingfisher bird with its long beak and colorful feather. To lay down the foundation of the painting, I am using an HB pencil. Let's apply the first layer of paints using cadmium yellow and cadmium red. For the green and blues, I am using viridian green, cobalt turquoise and ultramarine blue. It's important to leave some of the white in the painting because it will give you the area of highlights. Now it's time to add some dark colors. For this I am adding some of the blue browns to make it more dark. For the belly I am using cadmium red mixed with crimson and also adding a touch of brown. To achieve a clean result you need to have 2 tubs of water, one to clean the brush and other one as a mixing medium. For the feathers I am using a mix of viridian green and intense blue, also known as phthalo blue. For the tails I am using light wash of crimson red mixed with ultramarine blue. To make the painting dark, you need to add some of the color pigments, as you can see. For painting the eyes, I am using crimson red mixed with intense blue. Here I am using a thin brush to work on the details, creating those sharp edges and strokes. Try to use a thin brush to create those sharp, small feathers using the mixture of viridian green mixed with ultramarine blue. Now let's increase the saturation of the blue by making it more dark using some phthalo blue. Try to check the paper with each layer of paint before starting the next unless you want to have a feather. For the dark shadows, I am using the mixture of cadmium red mixed with brown and intense blue. For the dark blue feathers, I am adding some crimson red to the intense blue. And for the legs, I am applying some cadmium red mixed with a little bit of crimson red. For the details close to the eyes, I am using a mix of intense blue mixed with crimson red. Let's quickly paint the tree trunk using some brown, crimson and yellow ochre. For the details, I am using the mixture of cadmium red, brown and intense blue. Here is the final result. I hope you have enjoyed this quick demonstration. If you have enjoyed the painting, then don't forget to comment what you want to see next. Till then, take care and stay blessed, and I see you in the next video.